Good morning, everyone. Today we are here to present our project using Python. So we have created a voice assistant, personalized voice assistant using Python. So first of all, let me introduce our my group members. So first is Shirsendu Kundu, second SK Abdul Shamir, and third myself Soumadip. So, as we all are familiar with the voice assistant, as we have used in our life one time or many voice assistant, different voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, and we have also seen voice assistants like Jarvis in fictional movies of Marvel. So, as we can more relate with Jarvis as it is the personalized voice assistant created by Tony Stark for himself to do his various works. So I have taken inspiration from this, and we all have tried to create our own personalized voice assistant using Python. So why I choose Python? So Python basically provide different type of modules, inbuilt modules or pre-built modules which are easy to use. So, and Python itself is not a complex language, so I can easily use to it to create the voice assistant. So if I talk about that, like how the voice assistant will function, so it will take the user command and then it will process the user command. If that command is not clear or it require more information, it will ask for that information, and when the information is clear and when the command is clear, it will then execute the command, which may be showing calendars, weather or time or opening any app. So how do this the voice assistant will execute this task? It will execute this task using different type of modules of speech recognition and natural language processing. So let me show you the modules which I have used for my program. So some of the modules are like PYTTX3 and speak recognition, Wikipedia, and uh, here is the function of greeting. Like if I run the program, first of all, it will greet me for I have created different time. Like for morning, it will greet me morning. After 12, it will greet me afternoon, and otherwise, it will greet me evening. And here is the command function. It will take command using the microphone, and it will never stop using the command. So for that I have put a threshold equal to 1, and the different type of commands, like it will open Wikipedia or YouTube, or it can also play music, it can also tell me time, it can also send me email. So let us run the program.
Good afternoon, Mr. Soumadip. I am Jarvis, sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Hello Jarvis, can you please tell me the time?
Sir, the time is 17 hours 30 minutes and 48 seconds.
Jarvis, can you open Google? Jarvis, can you open YouTube? Jarvis, can you tell me about Tony Stark from Wikipedia?
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Anthony Edward Stark is a fictional character primarily portrayed by Robert Downey Jr. in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, MCU, media franchise based on the Marvel Comics character of the same name commonly known by his alias, Iron Man.
So this is how the program will run. Tell the time and open Google, and it can perform various other tasks. If I talk about the contribution of my group members, so this wish command, it is created by Shishendu Kundu, and this the function for taking command, it all have been created by me, and this and the main function to execute the different program, it has been created by SK Samir, SK Abdul Samir. So this was all. Thank you.